Hello, and so in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to record the screen with sound on your iPhone. So what you want to first do is on the upper right hand corner, drop that down so you have the control center, and then on your screen recording button, you want to hold that until the window appears where you can actually toggle on your mic on or off. So where you actually click on the record screen button, just click on hold on that, and then afterwards what will happen is that you'll see your screen actually see that microphone on. That means your microphone is on, and then you can press that to actually turn your microphone off. So if you're having trouble screen recording your iPhone but it's not recording any audio, this should be your solution to that. So if you find this solution helpful, do make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. This is how to record audio while screen recording on your iPhone or your iPad.